I really appreciate how this model takes improving hygiene even further. All the water that enters is filtered and sterilized before ever touching the bowl or you. It features both a triple filtration system and precision filter plus scale inhibitor to remove large impurities, coarse sediment, and other small particles. This includes UV sterilization and electrolyzed water, the same methods used in hospitals without all the harsh chemicals you would normally have to use. With the X70, you can basically say you need little to no toilet paper. With the controller, you can select posterior wash or feminine wash, and the stainless steel washer nozzle will clean you. There are different settings of strength and temperatures, just like the heated seat. The toilet then also dries you using a movable warm air dryer, also with temperature settings for added comfort. The stainless steel nozzle uses the same methods of a UV sterilization to sterilize and clean itself. Then there's the Hygienic foam shield, which is a layer of micro bubbles that line the bowl to prevent splashes, keeps waste from sticking, and helps cut down on odors. There's even a pre-wet feature called that glazes the bowl before each use, which basically makes cleaning effortless.